Ready? Hello everybody, and welcome to Miami Workshop News. I'm Juan Peralta. Today, we're going to be talking about something very important that's going on in the world. Where is all the toilet paper? I have to jump in the shower after every time I do number 2. Reports are coming in about people using newspapers. Problem is, there's no newspapers because nobody reads the newspapers. This just in. Aló. Hello. Everybody knows what this is. If you don't know, look up here. Check out that video. I want to do, let's see here, wait a second. I want to do a new giveaway. Now, I don't think you guys grasp the fact of what I wanted to do in the last video, but what I want you guys to do is I want to do another giveaway where you choose what you want me to paint for you. Now, I want to get a winner here in the next week. Thursday next week, the 14th. Do the video when I do the winner, and then, Friday put out the video so you guys can watch it. Now, the only way this is going to happen is that you need to comment on the bottom. Okay, you got to comment of what you want me to paint for you. I'm going to do it on sort of something like this, like a panel like this. But it's whatever you want. It's whatever you want me to paint for you. So, let's get on the ball here, guys. Comment on the bottom. All right? Tell me what you want, and let's get this done. What are you waiting for? Hurry up, comment. Peace.